Here at Western, we are incredibly excited about the growth and future of apprenticeship. We truly believe apprenticeship is one of the most impactful ways to connect education and industry, and we're excited about what's ahead.
People that are in an apprenticeship get to put their hands and minds into their plumbing career right from day one through the rest of their career.
Apprenticeship has long been a strong tradition in the skilled trades, especially in industries like plumbing, electrical, and manufacturing, and we're proud to continue supporting those pathways.
In an apprenticeship, every experience you have adds to the value of who you become. They get to work with experienced plumbers that have been through the same processes that they're going to go through and learn from them. We're smart people that have committed ourselves to the safety and quality of life of other people.
We're seeing tremendous momentum in expanding apprenticeship opportunities into emerging sectors like advanced manufacturing, healthcare, IT, and education.
Kwik Trip started sponsoring apprentices to create a new pathway into our operations maintenance team. This allowed us to broaden that talent pipeline. You're not just filling a role, you're helping to develop someone who understands your equipment, your processes, your core values, and allows them to continue to work full-time hours while attending school.
Our motivation really went around trying to build a stronger workforce within our community. It's really shifted our mindset. Instead of finding staff, we're developing staff. This program is helping us build a future workforce, not just filling positions, and this is exactly what early childhood needs right now.
For employers, apprenticeship is an investment in their future workforce. At Western, we are committed to continuing to grow these opportunities and work alongside our employer partners to build strong, sustainable workforce solutions for our region.
This helped us align the curriculum with the advanced manufacturing and troubleshooting skills our technicians need to be successful in the field.
It's so organized and convenient for our team. Working with administration, we've had no hiccups. We haven't had any stress that's come from this. They're right there to support us every step of the way.
Evolve your business. Broaden your pipeline. Partner with Western Technical College today to design an apprenticeship solution tailored specifically for your organization.